What is up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. How y'all been doing today? I'm not doing too good. As y'all see, I got on a long sleeve shirt. Yesterday I was wearing short sleeves, today I'm wearing long sleeve. I'm getting so tired of Florida, I gotta get up out of here. I gotta move. Oh, my camera about to die. No. I want everybody right now, if you live in Florida, drop a comment below and let me know what y'all think about this work. Cause I ain't digging it. But anyways, today we got an 04 Nissan Altima 2.5. It's a sport. And we're gonna be doing a little tune-up on it. It's a 4-cylinder, so it's nothing too crazy. It should be fairly simple. Sorry about my lighting, guys. I really do apologize. But I'm in the cut back here, so it might not be as much light as outside. But we're gonna do it best we can. I got 2 little lights right here, so that should be good enough. Hopefully my camera doesn't die though. I should have charged it this morning. Dang it. Matter of fact, just so I don't be going ahead and doing stuff and then next thing I know, I look at my camera and it's dead. Let me go ahead and charge it real quick first, and then after it charges up, I'll hit you guys back. Alright, so I got the camera charged up a little bit now, so this should be good enough for me to finish the video. So let's get into it. Alright, so first thing we're gonna need is a drill, or use a ratchet, but you need a 10mm socket, and of course you're gonna need the 5/8 spark plug socket. Today I'm gonna be doing the spark plugs and these first 2 coils, because we changed U2 coils about a year ago, so they're still good, but we got a cylinder 2 misfire, so I'm gonna go ahead and change both of these coils just to be on the safe side. Anyways, let's get into it. Okay, so now my way of doing spark plugs, even though you can just put this in and drill it, I like to get my ratchet and at least unloosen it first, because sometimes they'll be really tight. You might hit it with a gun and it might snap and break off inside of the head, and you don't want that. So, see, like that one's really tight. I'm gonna hit that with a gun. Now we can get our gun. Foreign cars, NGK. Domestics, you use the AC Delco, Motorcraft, Denso, Bosch, that type of stuff. Alright, so I'm gonna do this. Grab our spark plug. Nice little clean spark plug. Drop it directly in the hole. When you guys are doing this, make sure that when you do drop it in the hole, you don't just drop it. You want to like kind of ease it down there, because I had an incident a while ago where I did that on accident and dropped one in the hole. I was like, it should be all right, and it wasn't. When I pulled it out, I had bent the I don't even know what the name of this thing is on the top, but I had bent it. So number 3 was not sparking at all. Had to take it all the way back apart again, and that wasn't a pretty sight. And may I mind you, I did on a Chrysler 300 where the V6 you have to take the whole intake off to get to the other 3, and yeah, just my luck, that 1/3 one was under the valve cover. I mean under the intake. Okay, so once you get these in, you want to tighten them down by hand first. At least start, you gotta tighten them down by hand, at least start them by hand. I like to start mine by hand. And then, be careful with the drill. That first click, I stop. Stop. Then I get my ratchet again, and hand tighten them. Alright, all 4 tightened down completely. Now the next step that I have to do, guys, I have to go get my dielectric grease, so let me go get that real quick, because this is one of the most important parts of this job. So give me 1 second. Okay, got my dielectric tune-up grease. This is good for any kind of electrical stuff, light bulbs, whatever you need. See if I can lock in on it. Boom. Loctite dielectric grease. So what I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna put it in the end of in the boot of the coil. Just squeeze some in just like that. And boom. Drop it in on top of the spark plug. I don't think this is right. This is not right. It's not. There's no way. It's just totally different. Alright guys, so we're having a little confusion right now. This isn't the right coil. I thought maybe it was the right one, just a different brand, but this not even lining up to the hole. So let me go figure this out, and after we figure out and get the new coil, I'll hit you guys back then. Alright y'all, so I'm back, and I got my other coil finally. They sent me the right one this time. OEM Hitachi. I don't know why they sent me the other one. Apparently somebody put the wrong coil in that thingy, so whatever, we back now. This stuff is all plastic, so one jolt is good enough. You don't gotta tighten it down too extracurricular. All right, that looks like everything is it. Let's start this baby up and see where we're going with it. I want everybody to drop a big thumbs up if you feel like I did a good job on that, because I know I did. Everything's running smooth. Smooth as ice. It was quick. It didn't take me too much time. Oh crap, the door is unlocked on me. Okay, let's give it a little rev up. I'm good with that. I'm gonna start up. Yeah, we had a cylinder 2 misfire. So every time I put it, it never misfired until I put it in gear. So like right now I'm in park, I can rev it all day, nothing. It's perfectly fine. The minute I put it in gear, it will be jerking, and you know how misfire act up. I'm in reverse, I'm in gear, perfectly fine. So, I guess I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Thank you all for watching as usual. That's how you do a tune-up on a 2004 Nissan Altima 2.5S. And yeah, I love you all. Thanks for all the support. We're on the road to 3,000, we almost there. Just a little more y'all fans support me a little bit more and we'll get there. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here, and then I'm gonna go test drive and make sure everything is good. But yeah, thank you all for watching once again, and I will see you guys back on another one.